What's going on, y'all? Jumbo Jared. Welcome back to another episode. Well, I don't know if y'all can tell, I guess you can't really tell right here, but we are not in Austin anymore. We are up in Colorado. Not here fishing, here doing the channel's first deer hunt. So this is kind of the 2020 COVID deer hunt, mule deer hunt. We're gonna be up here a total of 7 days. I guess 3 or 4 days of scouting, and then the hunt will actually be from Wednesday the 18th through Sunday the 22nd, and I'll be going home the 22nd. And so we're gonna be spending a couple of days up here, me and my dad, and we're hopefully gonna get on a big buck. That's the goal. I think the last buck that I shot 2 years ago up here wasn't really anything to call home about, but it was a good buck. This year, hoping to get a really solid one. We've seen some pretty good ones so far, and we're hoping to capitalize once the hunt actually starts. So if you haven't subbed to the channel already, make sure to go and do that. Go hit a like button down below. Stick with it, stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Alright y'all, this is day one of the Colorado hunt. Gonna go be doing some scouting around up here at the first spot. So, see what we can go find. Y'all, we're driving to the spot, day number 2. Woke up a little late. I didn't sleep that great. Pretty windy, blowing over the yurt we're staying at. But we're gonna hop on the buggy pretty soon. Hopefully get on some more animals. Alright y'all, we found the first big buck. I'm gonna jump over the big lens and show y'all. Alright y'all, this is day 3. We're out here doing the last little bit of scouting. We came up to the spot that we had to hike a couple miles into. It's beautiful country up in here, but we're just kind of hanging out now. We got up here doing some glassing around, looking for some more animals. We saw a couple bucks, decent sized ones. We saw some freaking huge tracks, so hopefully we can find that buck tomorrow when opening day starts. Pretty excited. Got the rest of this evening. Well, it's not even this evening. It's 9 in the morning right now. Pop's over there making some phone calls while we still have some service up here. It's about the only place we can get services, way up high. Looking beautiful up here. It's nice just looking around at the mountains. Pretty chilly afternoon, so I think we are expecting rain on Friday, a little bit of snow on Saturday, but see, Wednesday and Thursday will be pretty good, pretty weather free, just chilly, but hopefully we'll see some more animals for y'all to see today. Big Muley. Up in there. I see it being slung up on top. Big bitch, get up there. Let's head out of there. Alright, y'all, that's gonna do it for scouting. We'll see y'all back at campsite. Okay, y'all, it's opening day. We just got enough light to be able to pull out the video camera. Spotting the first deer so far with the spotting scope. And after that, we're just gonna keep going up the mountain to where we had seen a bunch of tracks yesterday. Stay tuned. Bighorn sheep right off the road. Where? It's that same one. Alright, y'all, I don't know if you can tell, but we got a buck down. We're gonna go and find him, see if we can get him out of this ridge that he's on. Got him about 200 yards. Pretty excited right now, so didn't get the shot on cam, but we got a buck down, so we'll go over there and check it out. Alright, y'all, so we walked all the way down this ridge, but he ended up being on another ridge up here, so not sure if y'all can see. We got one ridge, two ridges over there. He's on the other one. So we're gonna ride the buggy back up, walk down, and go check him out, get some photos, get some video, and then pull him. We're gonna drag him all the way down here, got him out and drag him down. So freaking pumped. Yeah. Glad we finally got one.
I don't know why I see this one on this ridge right here.
Yeah, we were on that one.
I don't know why I was thinking that ridge over there. Damn. If we need to go down that ridge where we're going to cut across, so let's walk down that ridge right there.
Yeah.
When I look at it, I hell, we'll cut right down to the ground. Like, nah, we'll take the buggy and walk down that ridge. Well, I got confused and walk down that ridge over there. He's on this ridge right in front of us right here. Sits brown cedar right there.
This one between the two
pines. He's somewhere right in there. That bird's already over there trying to get on him. I guess it's dragging him out the bottom, huh? It'll be the easiest. I got 600 foot of rope and a buggy, but I don't think 600 foot will reach it.
How big's your winch?
Oh, it's only 50 foot.
Oh.
It's I got that rescue rope. More on the rescue team guy. I got 600 foot in a buggy, but I don't think 600 foot will get me there. I think the best thing to do is try to keep him in the snow. And
no road in that block, okay?
No, you can see the road way down there. That's why I got thinking. He's on that ridge. We'd keep it easy.
Yeah, yeah, it was. We walked right
Right.
down through there.
Yeah, because when we shot, I watched them deer sit right here. I told you, I seen all them does come. All I could see is him and two does, and like 4 does came this way, and 2 or 3 does went that way, and a couple went down that way. And I thought, well, shit, they're running like he failed, you know. And sure as shit, he did. But I think we're just dragging the bottom, Steve. I don't know. That's packing it uphill in the snow.
No, I know it's the shit.
I mean, we'll get him down that bottom, even if we had to hang him on them pine trees and skin him out and bone him down there. You know, I'll go back. I got a single tree in my toolbox. We can hang him somewhere in them cedars and got meat sacks and pack him the rest of it if we have to, if it's too hard to drag. But
once you get out, the only stuff that's hard is a brush.
Right.
You get out of the damn brush. It shouldn't be too bad.
All right, let's go get some pictures and do this. Found the bug. Just a big 3x3. Good brow time. Yeah.
Here y'all go, folks.
Yeah. Filming.
Here we go.
Finally found him.
Yeah, found him. Pretty good sized buck. Bigger than anything I've killed. Gotta look and see where I got him at. But
he dropped in his tracks right there, I promise.
Yeah.
Just couldn't see him when he dropped.
Killed him with the 26 Nas.
210 yards. Missed him at 400, so.
Yeah.
Got the tracking dog, finally found him.
So.
Yeah, he's, like I say, he's no monster, but he's a nice buck.